Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rifalikova. My name is 2001 2056. I'm from class 1B, studi program D3 Civil Engineering, major Civil Engineering, State Polytechnic of Padang. Your Excellency, English lectures, Mrs. Divyani Aprianti, SS MPD. In this video, I will try to present the study on learning English, how it is to learn English. The method used in this study is interview with several respondents. Let's get started. The first is enjoyment. The result of the interview indicate that all 6 respondents find it easy to learn the English language when they enjoy learning English. When the learner likes English as well and as when they like learning knowledge of the language, namely grammar and structures. Persistence. The qualities of defining aptitude or speed in learning language are the fact the 5 out of 6 respondents never give up learning English. This statement indicates that learners are likely to improve their skill in English if they are persistent in learning English. The learning involves a desire to learn, putting in effort to learn English, and never giving up learning English. Importance. 6 out of 6 respondents show that the importance of English advances their motivation to learn English. This statement indicates that awareness of the importance of English is likely to help the speed of learning the language. Self-efficacy. The result of the interview indicate that all 6 respondents reveal their level of the confidence in learning English. This statement shows that feeling of confidence is learning English is likely to contribute of the speed of learning the language. Self-talk. Information obtained from an interview indicate that participants found it easy to learn English when he was self-taught. He said that he was self-taught in learning English. This statement shows that self-taught is a way that makes a learner find that it easy to learn English. This learner is a self-starter who sustains his intrinsic motivation that makes learning easier for him. He was an intrinsic interest in the task and conduct self-evaluation to check whether or not this understanding of a concept is correct. Parental support. The role of parent is one factor that has an influence on language learning. Although parents do not have a direct role, such as coaching or supporting students' learning, and indirect roles such as providing facilities and paying for an additional English course for their children help improve how learn work to learn English. Practice in different contexts. The important part of learning theoretical in when a learner is able to practice. From a study that respondents learn English easily through teaching others, practicing speaking, practicing reading, practicing listening, singing, practicing some test strategies, and practicing doing different test items in English. The sick respondent indicates having a job as a lecturer of English helped them improve their English since they had more opportunities to use English and the opportunity to learn English through teaching, developing the latest teaching methods as well as undertaking evaluation. One respondent reported that she had conducted pre-service teaching at high school during study at the university. This teaching experience helped her learn English. Lack of practice. Another factor that has an influence of how easy a learner find it learn English is length of practice. Length of practice can be defined as the number of years of exposure to the English. Longer time for learning English means that learners have more time and more experience is learning English that help them acquire English easily. The study displays that the length of learning English, more experience from learning English, and longer process for learning English contributed to how English can be learned more readily. Status of the language. The status of language learned has an influence on how easy it is for a learner to learn English. Moreover, the statement provides a key characteristic of how English as a foreign language is taught and learned. The process of learning English as a foreign language takes place in the classroom setting, which involves teaching with little opportunity to use the language. Then, the result of the interview showed that only one out of the 6 responded find it easy to learn English when he has friends with whom to practice English. Supportive environment. The result of the interview show that supportive environment is very likely to influence how easily English learned. Information obtained through the interviews indicated that it is easier to learn English when a teacher provides a comfortable learning situation. This statement shows a comfortable environment is likely to provide the opportunity for learners to express their ideas. Thus, is to help them to learn English easily. Access to resources at school. The result of the interview indicated indicate that the availability facilities such as a computer and the internet, as well as books at a school, help to learn English more easily at home. Home resource is another factor that is more likely to contribute to how easy learner finds it is to learn English. The availability of books, journals, literature, novels, computer, internet, audios, CD, DVD, cassette, tape recorder, and TV channel may have an influence on the speed of English learner. Teacher. The result of the interview indicate that one important aspect in language learning is the availability of teachers. In this situation, the teacher does not always mean a teacher in the classroom in the formal learning situation, but a teacher can be an adult who has already understood how a language is structured, and this person is able to transfer the knowledge that he or she required to help or guide somebody else to learn a language. No nativization. The result of the interview indicate that learner of English as a foreign language find it easy to learn the English language where they are not required to be native like. There has been a long debate with whether a learner of English language has to be like a native speaker or not. People who learn English in the setting of learning English as a foreign language find it difficult to be native-like. Unfortunately, not many people realize the difficult that foreign language learner of English encounter, since they think that learning English as a foreign language is the same as learning English as a second language that is learning occurs. Since the English language is used in the country in which the learning occurs. There are differences in learning English as a first, a second, or as a foreign language. An implication of this difference is the difficulty of learning achieving the standard practice used by native speakers of English. Initiative and autodidactic learning. The result of the interview record the learner finds easier to learn English when he or she has the initiative to learn English independently of a teacher. The study show the respondent take some initiative in order to learn and improve their English skills, such as practicing listening independently and repeating in the many times, borrowing book from library or friends, copying some text from a book for studying independently, and checking difficult word in a dictionary. There are all acts of autodidactic learning. Knowledge of language. Vocabulary and grammar and structure were categorized as knowledge of language. Understanding vocabulary is important when learning a new language. A respondent is a reporter as saying that she finds it difficult to learn English because she lacks vocabulary, grammar, and structure. However, in line with the number of years of exposure to learn vocabulary, grammar, structure, she finds it is easy to learn English as is indicated by the interview transcript. The follows. Conclusion. A large number of suggestions and various ideas that are obtained from lectures of English are recorded to learning of English have variety answer in how easy they find it to learn English. The perspective obtained from the interview are expected to give some new insight from teacher of English to guide their student to learn English easy. The result of the study imply that teachers of English need to take into the consideration of above factors that make the learning of English easy if they want to take some advantage in teaching of English as a foreign language. Moreover, the result of the study indicate that some factor influence of how do learners English learn English easily. This finding can be used to help other people who find it difficult to learn English. Those people can learn that they can learn English easily if they feel enjoyment in learning English, persistence, have a rich vocabulary, practice in a variety of contexts, and have parent support. Maybe that's all I can say. Apologize if there are deviance and mistakes. If there is suggestion and critics, please convey. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.